My name is Christopher Nygard. I'm a professional racing driver and test and development driver for Koenigsegg. I am here at Ascari. To race against yourself is really special because it's nothing that you could do like in reality. So it's laid out here and it's done as close to reality as we could. We have in the sim and we do it here. All the technology around this project has been really crazy. It's like really been a good group of people working on this, setting it all up, so it felt very real from the word go. And the same here, it's been really cool to be a part of it, to see your ghost driving around out there and to try to beat yourself. And it has been a really strange feeling, you know, because the racing driver always thinks he's the best, so to take on yourself is a great challenge and has been a lot of fun and has been nice to be a part of the project.